So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to replace the lower door seal on a Samsung dishwasher. Leak fix tutorial. Step 1 is disconnect power. Unplug the dishwasher or switch off its circuit breaker to turn off power. Close the water supply valve under the sink to turn off water. Second step is remove the outer door panel. Open the dishwasher door fully located and remove screws along the inside edge of the door, focusing on the outer front panel. Then hold the outer panel securely while removing the last screw. Partially lift the outer panel away and disconnect the wire harness loading to the control panel. Set the outer panel aside. Third step is remove the door from hinge. Raise the inner door panel slightly to close the door. Unbolt the hinges by removing the mounting bolt or screw securing the bottom hinges to the dishwasher frame. Carefully lift the entire inner door assembly off its hinges. Lay the inner door assembly flat on a protected surface such as a towel on a door floor. Fourth step is remove the old shower lower seal. Locate the seal at the bottom edge of the inner door panel. Identify the black rubber flap secured by a metal or plastic retainer plate. Remove the retainer plate by unscrewing the screw holding it in place. Put out the old rubber seal from its mounting channel. Then clean the channel with a damp cloth and mild soap to eliminate slime and debris. Allow the channel to dry completely before proceeding. Fifth step is install the new seal. Hold the new seal up to the door with the curved or ribbed side facing inward toward the tub. Press the center of the new seal into the center of the bottom channel. Work outward from the center, pressing the seal firmly into the groove without scratching the rubber. Place the metal or plastic retainer plate back up over the new seal. Then tighten all screws to clamp the seal firmly in place. Sixth step is reassemble the dishwasher. Lift the inner door assembly onto the dishwasher frame and secure hinges bolt. Hold the outer door panel close to the machine and reconnect the control panel wire harness. Then align the outer panel with the inner door and secure it with previously removed screws. Restore power and water to the machine. Run a quick rinse cycle to check for leaks at the bottom of the door. Thanks for watching.